Good morning, YouTube. So today we're off for some sunrise action, hopefully. Weather looks all right. The moon was all right last night, but it's not the clearest of skies. So hopefully the clouds will pick up a bit of sunrise. We shall see. Sunrise is in about an hour. I'm off to Longmins today. Been there before, but I've never vlogged it. So should be good. We shall see. Sunrise is in about, as I said, sunrise is in about an hour, and it takes 40 minutes to get there, 45 minutes to get there. So hopefully it's going to be a good one today. So I'll get the drone out, get the Mavic Air 2S, and yeah, should be some good content, but stay tuned and wait to find out. I just got here just as the sun was popping off, and it's just gone behind a couple of the clouds. So if I turn you around, shooting that at the moment, and the sun is just popped off between that cloud. It should go between that gap and that gap, but we shall see. Not enough light at the moment to get onto the rock that I'm right next to. So I'd like it to light up the side of this, but we shall see. It does look good up here though anyway, regardless, and I'm glad I came out. So what I'm going to do is take a couple more shots, and then I'll probably get the drone up and see what happens. Catch you in a bit. So just moving across the landscape bit, and notice that this car is not going anywhere. This what do you call it, horse does not want to move. Look at this. This is awkward, so you might just touch it. We'll see. The country life, love it. So it seems we have a bit of a visitor. Just trying to eat my camera lens hood, and then it tried to eat my sleeve when I gave it a stroke. So it's all good fun in the landscape photography scene. So I'm going to try and set up some sort of composition with this horse and hope that it doesn't come up and bite my arm again, because that hurt a little bit, but we'll see. Well, let's go. So as we can see here, it's not a bad composition. Could do with a bit of light though. That would be cool. What do you think, mate? Bit of light? Yeah, I reckon. We'll see. It looks alright though. I like it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the horse photo. That's what I wanted to do. Turn your head. Beautiful. That's the one. That is the one. So the rain has slightly come in, and the light is pretty much gone. It's flat as a pancake and pretty dark around here. My phone doesn't really do it justice, but just try and put it back to, let's see how I see it. Probably not that much. Like that, maybe, to the naked eye. I don't know. Let's put it back up. So, yeah. I've just changed composition, And for those who are wondering what I'm shooting on, don't know if you can see that or not, I've just recently got the Tonica 11 to 16 2.8. It's quite an old lens, but it's supposed to be quite good. So I bought it because I needed a wide angle for my Blackmagic for like gimbal work, establishing work, that sort of stuff. So I'm yet to test it out on the Blackmagic, so this is the first testing on the R5. However, because it's 11 to 16, it's an APS-C or a crop sensor lens. You get extreme vignetting, not even vignetting, you get black spots. So I'll try and turn you around after this and show you what it's like. So this is the composition I've gone for, so I need to take that anyway because I haven't got it yet. It's quite nice actually, like that. Sort that sky out, a bit blown up, but as you can see there's not much information anyway. But if I zoom in, zoom out, go wider, I'm at 16mm at the moment, and with the lens hood on and the barrel, I get rid of the info. Look how extreme that is. Pretty crazy for full frame. But it's alright at 16. It's still usable, but and for the Blackmagic, it's fine. It's absolutely fine because the Blackmagic is Super 35 anyway, so you don't get any of the fringing or vignetting or whatever you want to call it. But let's go on to the next composition. So, as you can see, I'm at the top now of what I was just photographing. Sorry about the audio. And the rain has come in. It's not bad light, but yeah, the rain is in. So, considering it's supposed to be really nice this morning, that's a bit of a kick in the teeth. But I think what I'll do is take another shot down here, and then I will head back to the car and wait for the rain to go a little bit, and hopefully get the drone out. So shall see. Catch you in a minute. I mean, obviously, as soon as I get down the hill with the camera, it's just cleared. You've got blue skies. Sod's law. But as one of the great photographers that I follow, Thomas Eaton, says, usually photographers aren't out in the rain, but when they are, it's pretty much always the time you're going to get good light. It's after a good storm or a good rain shower. The light will pop off, clouds are out, unleashing the features. But hey ho, as I said, sod's law. So gonna head back to the car now and warm my hands up, I think. As I said, after the rain cloud comes the good light inlet. Beautiful. Look at that. Love it. So yeah, didn't head back to the car, just took a couple of shots But there's the car, so I'm gonna go and warm my hands up now. Catch you in a bit. So the sun was popping off that good this morning that I left the window open whilst it was raining, so good. So as you can see, this van and 2 photographers have just turned up. Got some lovely clouds, as you can see there. What did I say about photographers not going out in the rain and then coming out when the light is good? It's as if I'm foreshadowing this sort of stuff. Good times. So I am going to get the drone out. I think the wind's died down, it's not raining at the moment, and the light, not that you can see it with my phone, is looking pretty nice. So we shall see, get a couple of flights in and see what the crack is. It does look nice at the Wrekin though. I was going to go to the Wrekin this morning. I thought I always go to the Wrekin, but it looks nice there. I'll show you in a sec. Not that you can see at the moment. Battery change. My phone is on my remote control at the moment, but get a new one in there. Yeah, get a new battery on there. The light on that last one, loving that. So time to explore a bit more, and then bring the drone back down and probably head home. And yeah, we'll see what happens. But get the drone back out for another flight and enjoy this light while it lasts. Let's go. down. That concludes my video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope the audio is all good for this one, because it's pretty windy and I didn't really want to do it in the car. And it is windy up here, as I said. And also the Tonica, however you want to pronounce it, lens is pretty loud with the autofocus. But is it doing alright? Is it getting me at 2.8? I don't know. We'll see. See when I get back on the computer. Hopefully it's alright. Yeah, hopefully you like these pictures. Hopefully you like the drone footage that I got. Seemed to do pretty good, although it was pretty damn windy today. So we'll see how that gets on. Well, you'll be able to see it. You've already seen it, but yeah, I'm eager to see it on the computer. So we shall see. But yeah, like, subscribe, follow me, get on my Instagram here, and yeah, hit me up in the comments below. Yeah, so I need to get back, charge the batteries, get a brew on, and without further ado, I shall catch you on the next one. Peace out.